Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share a lovely scene with you. Right here in the playground, some boys and girls are playing badminton. It's truly enjoyable to watch them having fun outdoors instead of spending all their time on mobile devices. Nowadays, many kids spend their leisure hours in mobile screens, which is not very healthy. Encouraging outdoor activities like badminton, football, and cricket can be a wonderful way to help them stay active, make friends, and develop teamwork skills. Dear viewers, you can also involve your kids in such type of outdoor games. So viewers, this is a simple but effective way of practicing English speaking practically. I simply observe my surroundings and describe what I see in English. It's not only practical but also an enjoyable way to improve your speaking skills. You can do it too. Just look around, pay attention to the details, and try narrating your observations in English. So start your journey to speaking English confidently by exploring it practically. That's all for today. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.